I'm alright, my bike's...
Shorts went off a freaking ledge.
What? Are you kidding me?
He's going so fast.
Is he okay?
His bike is like in that canyon.
So today's Saturday. Johnny Mac, John, and I are leaving Monday on the Utah BDR. It was 3:30. I realized that the bladder in my tubeless system, my rear tire, was shot. There was only one place that I could find just the bladder, and it was Rocky Mountain ATV. And dude on the phone says, great, be about 45 minutes, come get your order, we'll text you when it's done. Yeah. I get down here to Payson, where Rocky Mountain is, at 4:30, pull in, parking lot's empty. So I run up and talk to this kid, and I tell him, look, I'm going on a trip Monday, leaving at 4 a.m. and I can't do it without these two items. They didn't tell me on the phone that you guys were closing. They just said, come down, pick up your order, no problem. He's like, oh man, I don't know, I'll try. But the kid came out the bag, man, saved my ass. And let's not forget, no trip is complete to Rocky Mountain and Payson without best tacos in town. So here's the crew. Johnny Mac on the 501, John Kerr on the 2018 701, right next to the other 701. Let's see, what does Johnny think?
Put a little more preload.
His luggage on. Yeah? I think this is perfect timing since me and two Johns are going on the Utah BDR, and I'm supposed to be the Utah BDR ambassador. This should make it official. Oh, not everybody gets one of these. You should go be an ambassador. Ride BDR. Wow. Ambassador, watch out, people. Good morning, day one of the Utah trip. Johnny Mac and John Kerr. And it is 3:20 a.m. and Abby is driving me.
Good morning.
How'd you sleep?
Well, I woke up about every hour thinking I missed the alarm.
I didn't sleep at all, folks. This is gonna be a hell of an adventure. Once again, the descent into the Valley of the Gods. This time we have company, Johnny Mac and John Kerr and father-in-law. We pulled into the Valley of the Gods about 10 a.m., got all unloaded, geared up, and by 11:15 we were on the Valley of the Gods road. But little did we know what was in store. It took no time for adventure to strike on this trip. What did Cody do this time?
Forgot to bring the tubes that we specifically purchased.
JK, where are you going?
Going to get a tubeless tube for my man Cody, who happened to get a flat tire on a perfectly normal road. We have no idea how it happened.
How long into the trip?
We are exactly 1 hour and 5 minutes.
Tip from the trip: when you have a motorcycle that doesn't have a center stand, need to change tire, find a rock or a log. Rule number one: changing stuff in the field is make a home base for all your parts. And lucky me, I left this in here because John has told me that you always want to use 3 spoons.
John's like, I'll be the runner. Look at this, boys.
Smart. Totally. Come on, Slavin.
I'm gonna balance my front tire. My front tire is going like this.
Yeah. So last time I was here, Dust Devil came. is it with these freaking dust devils? We're good. We're good. Gotta get back up. Oh yeah, I'm great. No, we're good. I just cross-netted. We're good. I'm coming. Woo-hoo! I knew I was coming, I just walked right off, but I'm winning all this stupid awards today. Still having fun though. My GoPro was on for that. We just gotta go faster than the day use people.
Is that baling wire storage?
We took a quick little detour to check out these naturally forming arches. Good John and the arches. Then we played Dodge-a-Rut for quite a while and looked at the beautiful scenery, making our way towards camp for the night.
Woo! Oh, so you use your point and still on it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, impressive.
What's impressive is the startup of that baby. That's high octane. Like it. So after getting the fire started, set up our tents. Got our beds ready to go. Sat around the fire, had some dinner, talked about the sections, remembering that Valley of the Gods was pretty fast with small road grade rocks. On the Moki Dugway, we saw a bunch of GS 1200s, looked like a tour group. And on Snow Flat Road, there was some sand with ruts, a couple of deeper sand sections, and one biker, not me, me, Had an off, but I just walked off the bike, nothing serious. And after dinner, we sat around and planned day 2 around this beautiful fire. Then we got ready for bed. We've got more videos of the next days coming up in the following weeks. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate all your comments. Love chatting with you. As always, stay safe and come join the adventure, baby.